Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your associated bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in associated bank login and hit the search. Now over here you can see the www.associatedbank.com. Now guys, scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the login button. Just click on that login button. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now guys, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page. Scroll down a bit. Over here you just need to enter your username. In case if you forgot your username, just click on that forgot username button, then you'll be recover your username. And once you click on next button, there you just need to enter the password. And completing further some steps, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you don't have any account, just click on get started, then you'll be easily create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.